How to edit Facebook post date and time on Android. Important truth. Before we start, like this video and subscribe for more clear and honest Facebook guides. If you're using Facebook on Android and want to change the date or time of a post, here's the real situation explained clearly. Can you edit Facebook post date and time on Android? No. Facebook does not allow editing the date or time of an already published post on Android or any other device. Once a post is published, the timestamp is permanent. Any app or website claiming to change post date and time is fake or unsafe. What you can do: workarounds. Option 1, delete and repost. Delete the original post, create a new post. Publish it at your preferred date and time. Option 2, schedule a new post. If you're managing a page, not personal profile, create a post, choose schedule. Set your desired date and time. Publish later. Scheduling works only for Facebook pages, not personal profiles. Important notes: you can edit the caption or text, but not the date time. Facebook locks timestamps to prevent manipulation. This applies to Android, iPhone, and PC. Final summary: editing post date and time equals not possible. Delete and repost, only option for profiles. Schedule posts equals pages only. If this saved you time, like the video, subscribe and comment, got it below.